Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix shipping rates not showing in Shift4Shop. So if shipping rates are not showing in Shift4Shop, it usually means your shipping setting zones or careers are misconfigured. So to fix that issue, you'll need at first to check the shipping methods. Okay, so at first go to Shift4Shop admin, your admin, and then settings, and after that go with the shipping option and shipping methods tab, and make sure right there you have at least one shipping method enabled and confirm the method is active and has pricing defined. Disable methods or blank pricing will not appear at checkout. Also, you gotta check the weight and dimensions. So some shipping methods rely on products, weights, or dimensions. Go to the products and then edit products, and after that go to the shipping info tab and set the weight and dimensions so the missing weights can cause rates not to calculate. You will need also to check the career integration. So if using live rates from careers like FedEx, apps, and DHL, etc., make sure the API credentials are valid and account is active and funded, and test with one product to verify rates. The invalid API keys or credentials will prevent rates from showing. Also, you will need to check the products as I told you and the cart requirement. And now, what I'm going to show you is a very impactful on that case, or in that case. So you'll need just to click on the three dots at the top right corner of the browser, and then go with the settings, then privacy and security option on the left hand menu, and then go under the privacy and security section, click on delete browsing data, go with last 24 hours, and then delete data as well. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.